Hey people, welcome to your favorite cat lovers channel, where we explore the mysteries of our furry companions. You see, I have a problem. Since I have cats, I have discovered that they work in a mysterious way. You put food on one side and it gets out on the other. And because our furry friends are lazy you also have to clean up behind them. Fortunately, in my local supermarket we have the Poopin Scoopin dog and cat pooper scoopalator shovel with handle, or to re-specify it, the shitty designed Poopin Scoopin dog and cat pooper scoopalator shovel with handle
that breaks all the time.
So rather than keeping on buying stuff that breaks all the time, let's make a durable one.